Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. This video is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this hair. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new hair. Before we get started, make sure you do one thing for me, that is hit that subscribe button. It is the red button either down below or somewhere. You will see that red button that says subscribe. Yes, we are on a roll. We have a goal this year. We are going to hit 100K. Yes, I'm gonna keep claiming it, keep saying it, and y'all are gonna keep helping me get there. So share this video with at least one person, okay? And let them know that they need to subscribe to Just the Dragoness, showing you how to slay these wigs, these weaves, these braidless crochets, and more. All right, you guys. And if you like this makeup look, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I want to get at least like what, 400 thumbs up, 500, I don't know. Let's get some thumbs up if you guys want to see how to create this makeup look. This is all black owned beauty brands right here, okay? All black owned beauty. We are supporting our good sis, our good brands out there that are doing the thing for us melanin community. Yes, snaps up, snaps down, all that good stuff. All right, you guys. So, also, if you like the hair that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review for it. I will leave a link up there, but make sure you finish watching this one first. I mean, don't click off just yet. The hair that I have is this unit that I did make. I made this unit with some hair that was sent to me by Sam's. Look how gorgeous this is. That was sent to me by SAMSBEAUTY. This hair was pre-colored, and I'm gonna give you the name of the hair right now. It is called Uniq hair. It's 100% virgin human hair. It is Brazilian bundle hair, and it does have a 13x4 frontal, and it is 7A hair, and this is in the color OT red, and it does come pre-colored. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and made the wig. I always make my wig by using a dome cap. I use my Salon Pro 30-second glue for the bundles, and I just use a needle and thread for the frontal. Now, this is what the hair looked like once I bleached the knots. So as you can see, the knots bleached beautifully. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on.